Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do from Harbor Freight, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. We got some woodworking stuff. So thank you for watching. Alright, so we're going to unbox the easiest one first, which is the number 33 bench plane, item number 97544. Open the box. Take it out of the bag. It does have some generous amount of oil on it. This is what it looks like. This had the nicest looking blade out of all of them that we looked at. It didn't look, there is no chipping on this blade at all. The only defect is this section of the handle is a little chipped, but pretty sure I can tan it. It's actually pretty nice. I don't know much about planes. I'd prefer to give a lot more detail, but I prefer to do my research before I give any detail on anything. But that's the first one. I'm just gonna put it on top of the box. It does look like it was decently painted. So we're going to put that one there. The next one, I'm going to just take these out of the box, is the 3-piece mini brass plane set, item number 97545. Just going to slide the cover off, pop them out. This is what these little guys look like. And these are actually really sharp. Very sharp. Figure they might come in handy for some little detail work or so those three right there. Next one is going to be the central forge, which is 092553. This one has just a little top. I'm going to move this back. Little pop tabs. Okay. It's got instruction information in here. Throw that off around for now. Model number 092553. Little instruction packet. This one is the one that has the plastic handle and knob, which it does have a little non-finished work where it wasn't finished great. It does have a spot where the paint is chipping off in some spots, but but all in all, it's pretty nice. It's crooked. The blade's actually crooked. Oh, might have to take this one back. Looks like the whole blade is crooked. Yeah, this one might have to go back. The blade is extremely crooked. So we can always take this one back, pop it back in the box, but we're going to do an unboxing with it anyways. This is the little one, and yeah, the blade on this one is extremely crooked as well. You can see how crooked it is. So we'll take these back and exchange those two. And then the last one we're going to open is the wood chisel set, which is 56364. And sometimes you get things that are messed up. It's Harbor Freight. You know, can't expect it to be perfect. It was only 13 bucks for this set, so I'm sure we take it back. We can find one that isn't so crooked. It looks like anything that was Windsor design is actually better quality than the Central Ford. Pop these open. There. These have nice little covers on them. The chisels are sharp. They're very sharp. The handles are nice. Actually quite comfortable. They're pretty decently weighted. Yeah. They're all really sharp. That's good to see. Ain't nothing worse than a dull chisel. These are actually very nicely made. So that's just a quick unboxing of everything that we picked up. These we'll exchange out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.